Hey guys, we're here at my JOANN'S and look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I just want to share with you guys a haul. I saw Paige. She put a post on Instagram and said that it was 20 papers for $3 at JOANN'S. So I asked my husband, can I go to JOANN'S? And he said yes, so that was a score. Brought my daughter and I want to show you my haul, okay? First up, these are the Simply Spring Construction Felt Pack. And it was 60% off, so I got it for, I think, $2.75. And it has these felts. 2 of each color, and these, I've never seen these felt before. I think this will be a good cover for a traveler's notebook or something sturdy because it's thicker than normal. Can you see that? So I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And this one, so I got 2 packs of that. Next, I've decided that we're going to use this paper for our vacation this year. So I got more of the Horizon collection by Paige Evans. I'm very excited. I have a lot of things planned for this collection, and stay tuned for that. So I got this one, and this is the back part of that. Absolutely gorgeous colors. Got 2 of that. So that's the back part. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So excited to cut that up and make it into tiny little flowers. This one, and that's the back. Look how colorful that is, like a map-ish color. They are so beautiful. And this is a plain one. It has spikes. I'm going to fussy cut all this and make them into embellishments. But I think it has to be a flat embellishment. I'm going to give a traveler's notebook to my friend Sheila. So I'm going to make 3 tiny little traveler's notebook. And then I'm going to create like a cover for it. So I'll show it to you in my next video. I'm excited to do that. And these are plain, so appropriate for travel. So this is the back part of that. Colors are absolutely gorgeous. And then this one, super gorgeous as well. And these are dragonflies and butterflies. Butterflies are so in right now. These, look at that quilt. You know, it would be so pretty if you just stitch through all this. Just a straight stitch. And then that would be a good base, right? And this is the back part. Here's another one that would be so gorgeous. And that's the back part of that. Sorry about the glare, guys. This will be a great cover for your traveler's notebook. And that's the back part. I think this is one of my favorites because I got, I think, 3 of this. And then they have some more Maggie Holmes in there. And this one is like a brick, a whitish, off-white brick, which is the back part of the peacock. Some cut-aparts from the Flourish collection. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I got sheets and sheets of these because of this color. I love it. It's so pretty. I think I got 3 of that. Another same of the cut apart. And this one my daughter liked. This is from the Damask Love collection. How cute are these? Because I'm going to make her own traveler's notebook so she can journal and take pictures for the trip, which would be so much fun. So she chose all that. And look how fun it is for summer. And this is the back part, which is cute, cute sprinkles. And of course, what 10-year-old does not like rainbows and unicorns? How pretty. And then these are Chasing Adventures. This one I didn't have when I ordered from scrapbook.com. They didn't have that in the full sheet. How cute is that? So I'm just getting some of the stuff that they don't give you as part of the pack. And this one is another one. So that's it for the papers. And then this one is a sticker pack. How cute. Sorry about the glare. You can see how gorgeous that is. And travel new roads. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love those. Some more bikes. Super cute. Born to fly. Oh yes. How cute are the suitcases? So yeah, that's my haul for today. I hope you had fun looking at this haul. Please go to your JOANN'S. They are still 20 sheets for $3. I think except for the Jen Hatfield one, because I tried to buy some Jen Hatfield and they said it's still 99 cents. So watch out for that. Have a great day crafting, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.